No music. No music. Hey y'all, it's Michaela. So I'm back with another video. Today we're doing a 90s flip on this bob. The bob came from Jaja's hair. I'll put the link in the description box. It has 3 combs at the top, 1 at the bottom, and it came with a band. This one is 10 inches and it's Brazilian straight, I think. I'm pretty sure. It looks a little crusty because I wore it last weekend, but I'm gonna try to redo what I did last weekend. So I'm gonna pop this on my head and we'll see. It might be a little humpy because my hair underneath needs to be rewashed and twisted again. It's not that humpy though. Okay, so we're going to first make some clips. My clips, and what I'm gonna do first is make a straight part or like a curved part, I don't know, something like that. And we're gonna curve it out. And we're going to, what are we gonna do? We're gonna pin this back. Now, since your hair will probably glue down, I'm not gluing this down because I'm gonna take this right off. I don't want to wear it all day. But you just want to make sure your wig is secure. And let's see. First, so we got this part separated, and I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this too. I don't know if I want to tuck this part, but I'm gonna clip this with this. And we're gonna take our flat irons. I got these mini ones that I got from Sally's Beauty. And I think it's on 325. It goes to 325 and then you can put it on 410. So just straighten the hair back out. We straighten that back out. Now we're gonna just kind of clip it back. I'm gonna get some bobby pins. To clip this back too. Okay, now we're going to find our part. Your part should be way better than mine. Like I said, I can't really see, so I could put my glasses on, but I don't feel like it, even though they're right here. So that's as clean as we're gonna get it. And I'm gonna straighten some of this down. relatively flat. And we're going to take it and we're going to swoop. And we're going to come up behind our ear. We're going to pull it down to where it hides our sideburns since it's not glued down. And take bobby pin, pin it into my wig grip. Take another bobby pin, pin that one into the same bobby pin that's back there. Do that. Then we're gonna let this hair down, see what it looks like. Be careful with the bobby pins too, because I know like the way you pin them, it can like stick out, and then like if you bump it or accidentally brush it, it'll come out. You don't want that. Here. Now I'm gonna see if I want to pin this part back, my hair like that, or if I want to leave it out. Maybe I should straighten it and see what it does. This bob is 130 density, by the way. So if it looks thin, that's why. I think we're gonna leave it out. Okay, now here comes the fun part. Okay. So we're gonna take a piece, not too big, not too small. It depends on how good you want this to look. Cause like when I went out, I did sections like these, and then when I got to the back, I was doing like huge sections because nobody had time to stand there all day and make sure it was perfect. No ma'am. So let's take a piece. Well, the piece is too big to do just to show you. Okay. So straighten, 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 flip. Okay, let's take another piece. Would it be ghetto to just do the front part and then, so look, straighten, 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 flip. And you could flip right or however you want. I flip so quick because it's already short. My head is big, so I don't know. I feel like the curls need to, more of the hair needs to be flipped, if that makes sense. I don't know. I might turn this into a voiceover because I don't feel like I'm talking about nothing. Now this is what I was talking about when I say big sections in the back. And then flip. I don't know what that flip do. Get up close and personal. light's making me mad. One, two, three, flip. One, two, three, flip. One, two, three, flip. One, two, three, flip. Mousse. This is cheap. Hey ladies, so this is the final look. So the specs of the wig, well, it came in this box, and I think it came with, oh yeah, it came with lashes, no wig cap. It came in this bag. It says straight 10 inches. I don't know if you see that, sorry. Like I said, it's 10 inches. Currently right now it's $53.99. I didn't pay anything for it because they sent me this wig for free. Let's see. It says it's unprocessed Brazilian human hair. The cap size is medium. It's a lace front. It's 13 by 4. Yeah, it's 13 by 4 Swiss lace, and it's 130 density. So if you don't like your wigs this thin, then maybe this wig is not for you, because it is 130, and I mean, it is thin. So like if you have a big head like me, I don't know, like I like it, it's cute, but I don't know, maybe I could do like a 150. I don't think I could do a 180. But yeah, and I haven't dyed it. All I did was literally just cut the lace off. I didn't pluck around the hairline, mainly because I knew I wanted to do this look with this wig, and I really don't see myself like wearing it any other way. I don't know, so I didn't pluck it or touch it, but it's a cute little wig. I feel like this would be a cute beginner wig too if you aren't into wigs, or if you're still practicing on wigs. I feel like you could get this. I think it goes up to 14 inches, so I would give this wig a 7 out of 10. 7 just because the density, but everything else I like. I wore it to the club and it held up good, so I've already washed it like once. I'm gonna wash it again. So yeah, I don't know, but that's all I got for y'all today. If you're interested, go watch my other videos. I'm gonna go film another video for y'all. So I'm just busy today. I hope you guys are having a good and blessed day, a good and blessed week. Stay inside. Don't get the corona. Be blessed. And I will see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.